Questions with how was. How was your day? How was the test? How was the game? How was the tour? How was the show? How was the food? How was the fair? How was the race? How was your date? How was the movie? How was the class? How was your hike? How was the party? How was your trip? How was the beach? How was your meal? How was your visit? How was your sleep? How was the museum? How was the meeting? How was your flight? How was the lecture? How was the seminar? How was the concert? How was your picnic? How was the weather? How was the carnival? How was the playdate? How was your project? How was the dog park? How was the festival? How was the workshop? How was your workout? How was your spa day? How was your weekend? How was your holiday? How was your shopping? How was the exhibition? How was the conference? How was the trade show? How was the restaurant? How was your golf game? How was the exhibition? How was your gardening? How was your interview? How was your breakfast? How was your breakfast? How was your road trip? How was the escape room? How was the art gallery? How was your adventure? How was your experience? How was the soccer game? How was your ghost tour? How was your kayak trip? How was your ghost tour? How was your kayak trip? How was your competition? How was the presentation? How was your DIY project? How was your exploration? How was the science fair? How was the jazz concert? How was the fashion show? How was your conversation? How was your conversation? How was your camping trip? How was your presentation? How was your fishing trip? How was the cooking class? How was the karaoke night? How was the poetry reading? How was the wildlife safari? How was your comedy show? How was your comedy show? How was your volunteer work? How was the home renovation? How was the ice cream social? How was your mountain biking? How was your painting session? How was the community service? How was the dance performance? How was the dance performance? How was your visit to the farm? How was the DIY crafting party? How was the speed dating event? How was your podcast recording? How was the salsa dancing class? How was your cooking competition? How was the hot air balloon ride? How was your wine and paint night?